Good morning, everyone. So today is the first day of the 6th week, 5th or 6th. I don't know. I'm losing my days, but the plan is to finish these mini split installs. So the air conditioning guy has to come and test these before we can patch this up and mud it. But everything else pretty much is mudded and ready for paint. So the plan this week is to clean everything, wrap everything, make sure everything is mudded, and then prime the walls, and then paint the walls. So I will give you updates throughout the week. Probably won't do daily ones because I want to cut the talking and just show you what it looks like. So keep on watching. This is now the week of major transformation, I believe. So once that paint goes up, I think it's gonna look a lot better. And I'll show you like what paint I use, what paint I end up choosing the color, but I'm going to probably go with Lowe's. I do prefer Sherman paint, so I will show you the samples that I have and then which one I finally choose. So keep on watching. Okay. So right now I am trying to pick the paint that we are going to paint the whole house right now. I'm gonna do flat in the living room, the dining room, the bedrooms, and then I'm gonna do a semi-gloss in the bathroom and the kitchen. But I wanted to go with a white in the house. I picked every white that I could see at Lowe's. I'm gonna go with a Sherman paint because I think that it's just a higher grade of paint that I personally like. So you can get that for a little bit cheaper than Sherman stores at Lowe's. They carry Belspar, which is a little lower end brand, but still owned by Sherman and then they carry Sherman. I picked all of the whites that I could find that didn't have a yellow tint. So there are a couple that now I'm seeing in the house with the lights that I currently have installed, where it gives me like this bluish tint. I don't know if you guys can see that right now, but I'm gonna go through and try and see which paint that I'm actually gonna go with and buy it today so we can start painting and priming tomorrow. Now, I can kind of get you guys a little bit closer, but the reason why I brought these samples into the house is because I wanted to see what it would look like, where it's going to be. So, just right now, if you wanna come a little bit closer, I can see that this has like a bluish tint, so I don't want that. This has like an off-white type of like creamy undertone, which I don't want. I don't want any yellow, I don't want any blues, grays. I just want like a pure white. So I see this has a bit of a yellow undertone. This has like a bluish gray undertone, so I don't want these. So I'm really just doing like a process of elimination. This has like a yellowy tone underneath, which I don't like. This has like a bluish gray. I don't like that. I want just like a pure white color. This one has like a yellowy underneath, don't like that. So I'm kind of left with 4. Don't care for that. This one has like a bit of a bluish gray undertone. I don't know if you can kind of see that. So kind of left with these two. They look so similar. Let's see if I can get some natural light. So I'm down to 2. These are the 2. My gosh, they look like exactly alike. Let's just go with this one. So I am gonna go ahead and go with Snowbound. It's a Sherman color. It's a Livable Luxe Quiet Comfort. HGSW4062. This is it, guys. All right, everyone, so I wanted to give you a quick update on what we've done so far. So I showed you the paint that I chose, and I purchased 7 gallons of flat and 5 gallons of semi-gloss. We have sanded all of the putty, mud, patched all the walls, taped everything, taped all the fixtures, all the windows. So all of that is all ready to go. Art, we forgot one of the can lights up there. So we're all set to go. Tomorrow is paint day, so we are going to be priming all of the walls, and then we are going to do the flat and the semi-gloss paint after that. So it's gonna be a full 3 days of just paint. The mini splits are still open. The air conditioning guy has to come and flush through those to make sure that they're working before we can patch that up, mud it, and then paint. So I will show you guys what it looks like now, and then I will show you what it looks like after it's all finished and done. Paint on the walls, looking fabulous. So enough talking. I will show you what the nice transformation is about to happen from here. So as you can see, living room, windows, everything, all the outlets, all the lights have been taken out. Everything is taped with plastic. Same thing in the dining room. All of the walls have been sanded. Again, the windows are all covered with plastic. And then in the bedrooms, you can see we've taped the ceiling fans, taped the windows, the outlets, took all the lights out of the closets. All the lights are out in the hallway. The bathroom is taped up. It's really dark in here because there's no light and it's almost nighttime. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little look at all this work that Art and I have done. Everything's ready to go. We ready to go. Hello everyone. So today is the last day of the week, and I told you guys that I was going to give you an update on how everything is turning out after our painting, and it looks amazing. So a lot of you know that white is my favorite color, so I have painted, well, we have painted the house white. So I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of how everything's looking, but it is looking so much better. Like, I'm so excited. And then the plan for next week is to focus on the bathroom. So we have to order the door for the linen closet. We have to demo the rest of the tile, put a new toilet, upgrade the medicine cabinet. That's all painted. And then we're gonna lay tile in the bathroom. So it is gonna look a bit crazy in there for a little bit because the tile doesn't match the shower tile, but it's fine. Slowly but surely we'll be doing upgrades on the bathroom, a little at a time though. But the paint has just transformed the house right now. So I will give you a quick little view of that, and I will check in with you guys next week. So this is the living room. It is all white. I put the can lights back in. The mini splits are in. They are working, functioning, and we have patched all of the holes. Light switches are in. This is the dining room. White on white. And then all the rooms are white as well. So this one needs one more coat of flat white. The hallway needs another coat because the rooms are just so dark, so. But it is looking better already. And then the bathroom. So this was what I was saying, we need to get, I wanna do like a bifold door here, but if it's too expensive, then I might just do a curtain, but we'll see. So we need to do one more coat in the bathroom. We're gonna do a semi-gloss right next. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Oh, and the cabinets are painted. I just felt like the brown was just gonna make the kitchen look a little weird because they were like a dark brown. Everything in the house is white. The floors are gonna be a light color. So I just thought that it just wouldn't go. So might as well just paint it. So we're painting it the same color as the walls, just in a semi-gloss. That's where we're at. It's coming together.